Welcome everyone, and councillors, staff, and of course members of the public. Nice to see you here. Just checking we're on live stream now. We'll go? Okay. Alright, I'd like to call for apologies, please. I know we have one from Councillor Truman. Can I have a mover for that? Moved by Councillor Cousins, seconded by Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. Just the councillors make sure their speakers are on and nice and loud, please, so people down the back can hear. Item number 1 is confirmation of the council minutes, the ordinary council meeting on the 2nd of August. Do we have any points of clarification or matters arising from those minutes, please? No, it doesn't appear to be. We will, if I could have a mover for those minutes, please. Moved by Councillor Boddy, seconded by Councillor Stewart. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against, carried. Item number 2 is a receipt of the Turangi-Tongariro Community Board meeting held on the 12th of July. If there's any matters arising those minutes, we'll go through these and then we'll move them all on block at the end. Matters arising or typos out of the TT Community Board. No? Okay. We'll go to the second Audit and Risk Committee on the 18th of July, which is on 2/9. 2/9. Any matters arising from those? No? Okay. Mangakino-Pouakani representative group. Taupo Airport Authority Committee. Which was on the 19th of July. Very good minute taking by the look of it all. And then the last one, which is the Turangi-Tongariro Community Board meeting on the 9th of August. Councillor Stewart.
I just have a correction on 2/22 on community issues. The Lions Company have recently appointed a new chairperson. That chairperson is not Brent Norris, he's the CEO. The new chairperson of the trust is Mark Darrow. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right, if I could have a mover for all those minutes, please. Moved by Councillor Stewart, seconded by Councillor Christowski. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried.